What if I told you that this inconspicuous dry leaf in your kitchen cabinet is more powerful than most cleaning products under your sink? Yes, exactly. The bay leaf. Most of us toss it into soup, fish it out later, and don't think about it anymore. A huge mistake. While we spend tons of money on chemical room sprays and harsh insect killers, Grandma always had the solution right in her spice rack. Those chemicals often just irritate our airways and drain our wallet. Bay leaves, on the other hand, are a true all-purpose weapon. They bring freshness, repel pests, and are even good for your health. Today, I'll show you 25 genius hacks you can try right away. And make sure to stick around until the end, because hack number 25 is Grandma's secret weapon against odors that nothing else can get rid of. We're reclaiming Grandma's secret today: burning the leaf. We start with something that sounds crazy at first: burn the leaf. Take a fireproof ashtray or small bowl. Light a dry leaf at one corner and let it smolder, not blaze up. The rising smoke isn't normal fumes. It releases linalool, a compound found in many expensive essential oils. Your room doesn't smell burnt, but spicy and purifying. It reduces stress instantly. Grandma did this when there was thick air in the house. It neutralizes bad odors and calms the nerves after a long day. Try it out tonight. The Fridge Guardian. Let's head to the kitchen. Does your fridge smell like cheese, onions, or just that typical mix? Chemical air fresheners have no place there. They just end up on your food. Grandma had a better guardian. Take a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and stick 3 dry bay leaves in it. The baking soda absorbs moisture, and the bay leaf effectively neutralizes the stink. Place the bowl way in the back on a shelf. You'll notice that no unpleasant smell hits you when you open the door anymore. Replace the leaves every 2 weeks, and your fridge stays permanently neutral and fresh. The vacuum cleaner revolution. Now let's tackle the vacuum cleaner. You know the feeling. You want to clean, but warm, musty air comes out the back. The solution is simple. Take 3 to 4 bay leaves and crumble them roughly in your hand. Throw the crumbs on the floor and vacuum them up first. They end up in the bag. The motor's heat activates the essential oils. Instead of mustiness, your vacuum now blows a subtle, fresh herbal scent into the room with every move. You're cleaning and scenting your home at the same time, with 0 extra effort. Shoe rescue overnight. Now to stinky shoes. Especially sports shoes are a paradise for bacteria that cause the smell. Expensive shoe deodorizers often just cover it with a harsh citrus scent. Do it like Grandma. Simply place 2 whole dry bay leaves in each worn shoe and leave them overnight. The dry leaf draws out moisture and has a mild antibacterial effect. Next morning, take them out, and the shoe smells neutral and fresh. It's much gentler on the material than any spray and costs almost nothing. A simple move with big impact. The trash can hack. The trash can is often the final boss in the kitchen. Even after changing the bag, an unpleasant smell often lingers in the bin. Before putting in the new trash bag, throw 3 bay leaves right at the bottom of the can. Then place the bag on top. If liquid ever seeps through, the leaves absorb it and prevent rotting bacteria from multiplying. The strong bay scent also confuses flies that would otherwise lay eggs. It's an invisible barrier at the bottom of the bin that ensures hygiene. Heater scent in winter. In winter, heater air is often dry and stale. We ventilate less, and rooms quickly smell musty. You don't need an electric diffuser. Just place a handful of bay leaves on top of the warm radiator. The gentle heat is enough to release the essential oils from the leaves. They slowly spread through the whole room. It doesn't smell overpowering, but subtly clean and cozy. When the leaves are dry after a few days, swap them out. This scent is incredibly calming and makes your home feel snug. Pantry protection. Nothing is worse than opening a bag of flour and finding webs from pantry moths. Pheromone traps just attract the males. We don't want them at all. Moths hate the smell of bay leaves intensely. Place 1 single bay leaf directly into each storage jar, whether flour, rice, or oats. Don't worry, in dry form, the flavor doesn't transfer to your food. Your rice won't taste like bay. But moths give your containers a wide berth. It's the safest insurance for your pantry. The clothes moth barrier. The same goes for your wardrobe. Moth holes in your favorite sweater are a nightmare. Back then, closets often smelled strongly of chemicals. You don't want that on your skin. Instead, make small sachets. Take an old handkerchief, fill it with bay leaves, a few cloves, and some dried lavender. Tie it up and hang it among the clothes. This mix smells wonderfully fresh to us, but it's an absolute stop sign for clothes moths. They can't stand this scent cocktail. Refresh the filling every few months when the aroma fades. Silverfish in the bathroom. In the bathroom, there are often uninvited guests that love damp and dark spots. Silverfish. They're harmless, but nobody wants them. Chemical bait boxes aren't ideal in a barefoot area like the bathroom. Bay leaves repel them. Silverfish hate bay oil. You can crumble dry leaves and sprinkle them directly into the cracks where they appear. Or place a damp leaf. It smells stronger. The intense scent massively disrupts their sense of direction. They avoid areas that smell strongly of bay and move on. That's how you keep your bathroom clean easily. Breaking ant trails. And while we're on small crawlers, ants. When they march into the kitchen in spring, don't reach for poison right away. Ants orient by scent trails. Interrupt them, and they lose the path. Grind dry bay leaves into fine powder. Sprinkle this thickly on the threshold or right across the ant trail. The strong, essential scent completely overrides their pheromone trail. The ants get confused, turn around, and look for another way. Outside. You don't have to kill them. You just show them there's no passage here. Mosquito deterrent at the window. In summer, mosquitoes rob us of sleep with open windows. But chemical plug-ins often smell unpleasant. Grandma solved it much more elegantly. Just place a small pot with a real bay laurel plant or a vase with fresh sprigs on the windowsill. The essential oils the plant releases at night act like an invisible wall to mosquitoes. They turn away before even entering the room. This way, you get fresh air and complete peace, without poison, in the bedroom. Book lice prevention. Your books are valuable, but paper attracts moisture. That draws tiny book lice that eat through the pages. The rescue is simple. Hide individual dry bay leaves deep in the shelves between the volumes. The dry leaf regulates humidity right around it, and the spicy scent drives pests away immediately. Your library stays dry, mold-free, and protected. No more worries about your favorite reads. They stay like new. Carpet cleaning powder. If your carpet smells musty, or you want to ensure it's hygienic, make your own cleaning powder. Mix 1 cup of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of finely ground bay leaf. Sprinkle this mixture generously over the carpet, brush it in lightly, and let it sit for half an hour. The baking soda pulls out dirt, the bay kills mites and neutralizes odors, then vacuum thoroughly. The colors shine again, and the whole room smells wonderfully fresh and clean. Fruit fly trap. Fruit flies are a real plague in summer. The classic vinegar trap often works only so-so, but Grandma had a turbo hack. Briefly boil the vinegar with 2 bay leaves before adding dish soap. The heat intensely combines the aromas. This spicy, sweet-sour scent is absolutely irresistible to fruit flies and much stronger than vinegar alone. Place it next to the fruit bowl. In just a few hours, the problem is solved, and you have your kitchen back. The bay leaf relaxation bath. After a long day, muscles often ache. Expensive bath additives promise a lot, but bay leaves do it better. Make a really strong decoction. 10 leaves in 1 liter of water, simmer for 20 minutes. Strain this brown liquid directly into your bath water. The concentrated oils penetrate deep into the skin through the warmth, promote circulation, and release tension almost instantly. You step out of the tub with loose limbs and feel reborn. Homemade bay leaf oil. For your home medicine cabinet, you should make bay leaf oil. Take a clean screw-top jar, fill it with crumbled leaves, and pour high-quality olive oil over them until covered. Let it steep in the dark for 2 weeks. For headaches, just massage 2 drops onto your temples. It also works wonders for strains when you rub it in. It warms, relaxes, and is pure nature. A miracle remedy for minor ailments that shouldn't be missing from any cabinet. Digestive tea. If you've eaten too heavily and your stomach feels heavy, don't reach for meds right away. Take 2 dried leaves, break them, and pour hot water over them. Let steep for 10 minutes. This bay tea tastes unusually spicy, but it clears out the stomach. The bitter compounds stimulate digestion immediately and relieve bloating and fullness in minutes. Grandma knew why the leaf was cooked with heavy roasts. It's the best natural medicine. Facial steam bath. For impure skin, the leaf is a blessing. Forget harsh face toners. Do a steam bath once a week instead. A bowl of boiling water with 3 bay leaves is enough. Lean over it with a towel over your head and stay for 10 minutes. The hot steam opens pores, and the antiseptic compounds of bay penetrate deeply. It gently disinfects and curbs inflammation. Your skin feels wonderfully smooth and deeply cleansed afterward, completely chemical-free. Anti-dandruff hair rinse. Dandruff itches, and many special shampoos just irritate the scalp more. Break the vicious cycle with a gentle rinse. Brew 1 liter of bay tea and let it cool completely. After your normal shampoo, slowly pour this cold liquid over your head. Don't rinse. Let it dry in your hair. It soothes irritated scalp, fights the fungus causing dandruff, and gives great shine. It smells subtly spicy, and your scalp will finally calm down. The goodnight tip. If you struggle to fall asleep or have restless dreams, try Grandma's goodnight hack. Place 1 single large bay leaf under your pillow. They say the subtle scent released by body heat calms the subconscious and wards off bad dreams. Whether it's the essential oils or just the soothing ritual, many swear they sleep calmer and deeper with it. It costs nothing to try tonight. It can't hurt anyway. Plant protection spray. If you spot aphids on your houseplants, don't reach for chemicals. Take the cooled bay decoction from tea making, fill it in a spray bottle, and mist the affected plants thoroughly. Even the undersides of leaves. Make them dripping wet. Aphids hate the bitter compounds and oil and disappear quickly. At the same time, the decoction strengthens the leaves and makes them more resistant to fungi. It's the gentlest plant protection you can find, and your plants stay completely healthy. The mop water upgrade. Next time you mop the floor, add a large cup of strong bay tea to the water instead of expensive all-purpose cleaner. It cleans streak-free and has a genius side effect. Ants, silverfish, and other crawlers avoid floors that smell of bay. You're basically laying an invisible protective film over your tiles or laminate. The room doesn't smell like artificial lemon afterward, but naturally clean. This turns annoying cleaning straight into effective pest prevention. Rust protection for cutlery. Do you know those small, ugly rust spots on cutlery, even though it comes clean from the dishwasher? Super annoying. Grandma always placed 1 dry bay leaf right in the cutlery drawer with the forks. The leaf is hygroscopic, meaning it draws excess moisture from the air before it settles on the metal. This naturally regulates the climate in the drawer. Your cutlery stays shiny and rust-free, and you save constant hand polishing. Grandma's wallet superstition? Now it gets a bit magical. Grandma always kept a particularly nice bay leaf in her wallet, hidden among the bills. An old tradition says this ensures money never runs out and new prosperity stays in the house. Does it really work? Who knows? But even if you don't believe it, every time you pay and see the leaf, it reminds you to be mindful with your finances. Slip one in. Everyone can use a bit of luck. The ultimate freshness bomb. Here's the promised savior for absolute worst cases. If you fried fish and the whole house smells intensely, even airing often doesn't help. Take a small pot, add water, 3 bay leaves, 1 sliced lemon, and some cinnamon. Let it bubble away without a lid. The rising steam creeps into every curtain and neutralizes the stench instantly. It doesn't smell artificially perfumed afterward, but wonderfully fresh and clean. This is the ultimate secret weapon against any stink that you absolutely need to know. Crazy what this inconspicuous leaf can do, right? A simple spice for pennies replaces almost your entire chemical cabinet. From pest control to home pharmacy, you now have everything at hand. I want you to test one thing today. Try hack 1 with burning or hack 3 with the vacuum. You'll notice the difference in the air immediately. Did you already know the wallet superstition? Write it in the comments below. If you want more genius household hacks like this in the future, subscribe to the channel now. See you next time.